Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be making Jamaican curried goat. The ingredients will be listed in the box below. I have my meat here, washed and clean, and I will be adding my dry ingredients. I have here ginger, garlic, and herb. I have curry powder, garlic powder, Mrs. Dash, herb and garlic, adobo, then I'll be adding my natural seasoning, which is onion, ginger, thyme, pimento berry, garlic, scallion, pepper, and I will be adding 2 tablespoons of green seasoning. And I will rub everything together. I will let this marinate for about an hour and a half. I have some oil heating here, and I'll be adding another tablespoon of curry to burn. Then I will add my meat to the pot. Then I will cover for about another 5 minutes, and then I will take another look. After roughly about 5 to 6 minutes, I'll take a look now. And I will give it a stir. Oh, smelling so good. I will cover for another 8 minutes. After about 8 minutes, I will have another look. Then I will add some hot water. After about an hour, since I add some water, I'm checking now, and I will add some more water. For another 45 minutes, I'll have another look. I'm going to add some more water, not much, and some potato, carrots, and some onion and thyme. And I will let this cook for about 15 minutes. And I will taste now. Perfect. It's wonderful. After 2 hours, my meat is tender and it is ready. It's ready to be served. Here is the finished dish. I'm having it with some vegetable rice and salad. I hope you enjoy having this. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.